Video opens with a rapid montage, a freelancer smoothly editing a video, a designer instantly generating multiple logo concepts, a writer finishing a complex article in minutes, and a project manager reviewing a perfectly organized task list. Quick cuts showing the final, polished results. Upbeat, inspiring music fades slightly as narration begins. 0:05, imagine this, you've just landed that dream client, the one with the tight deadline and the high expectations. Normally, you'd be scrambling, burning the midnight oil, fueled by questionable coffee. But today is different. Today, you're breezing through it. You're delivering top-tier work, ahead of schedule, and actually have time to enjoy your evening. That's not magic. That's smart freelancing, powered by AI. 0:35, look, as freelancers, we're constantly battling against the clock, against competition, and against the sheer volume of tasks. We wear so many hats: marketer, salesperson, accountant, and of course, the actual service provider. It's exhausting. The traditional way of doing things. It's reaching its limit for many. We need an edge. And that edge is artificial intelligence. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. Think of it as your ultimate virtual assistant, your tireless intern, your brainstorming partner, all rolled into one. These tools can automate the mundane, accelerate the complex, and unlock creative potential you didn't even know you had. If you're not leveraging AI in your freelance business right now, you're essentially leaving money and sanity on the table. You're working harder, not smarter, when there's a smarter way. 1:15, the good news. You don't need a computer science degree or a supercomputer. All you really need is